So, I'm sure by now I've made it pretty obvious that I like the old Datsun Z cars. And what does that mean exactly? Well, I have three, but maybe it's time to switch it up. So, it just happens that I bought something a little bit... Let's just show you.
Waves are crashing in like thunder. Lose the war, but win the game. Every shot that you do, felt the pain, but we got through. When I don't know where to go, the circle leads to you. And every mile we've ever run, don't look back how far we've come. Close your eyes and pull the trigger. You're the bullet, I'm the gun. You're the bullet, I'm the gun.
Call me Brittany, because I did it again.
You're the bullet, bullet. You're the bullet, bullet. You're the bullet, bullet. I'm the gun.
This is new to me 72 240Z and is built in December of 71. And I know what you're thinking, wow, this is rough. And you'd be right. I can literally stick my finger through the quarter panel. Pretty much the bottom side of this car on this side took the worst, and over there the side of the car took the worst. So yeah, I can stick my hand through there. Down here, I know there's a little bit of weight reduction going on. I hope that's not structural. That kind? Oh, that's to the floor. But the fender, yeah, it's a little rough. And by little, I mean very. But there is some saving grace to it. Somewhere. Ha. It has the original L24 and non-original transmission. That one came out of a junkyard somewhere, but it has a header. This car, what I was told when I bought it was everything's in the car, for the car. I don't think that's completely true. I didn't see a radiator, and I'm pretty sure it's missing the round top carburetors. But today, I wanted to dig through that mess and see what might be missing. So, let's get started, and maybe take the fender off too and see if there's rust under here. I know that the floors are crap, the frame rails are decent, but the floors, they're crap. Battery tray, from what I saw, it looked okay, and most of that's dirt. So I mean, there's parts of this that are bad and parts of it that aren't so bad. Like over here, hole, massive rust hole, that's solid. Rust, rust, rust. It would definitely need both quarter panels, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Also, had a wing on here that someone took. And rust there, which I think this might, no, it's not. I thought this was like one piece. It's not, so that might be an issue. Also, just like the other car, it used to be metallic avocado green. Apparently people really hated that color, I guess. I really think it's nice. That baby puke green. Let's start digging.
Every shot that you do, felt the pain, but we got through. When I don't know where to go, the circle leads to you. And every mile we've ever run, don't look back how far we've come. Close your eyes and pull the trigger. You're the bullet, I'm the gun. You're the bullet, I'm the You're the bullet, bullet. You're the bullet, bullet. You're the bullet, bullet. I'm the gun.
Okay, build's finished. We can go home. This is it. We're done. Have a good one. Just kidding. Got the passenger door open finally. A little bit of corrosion. Doesn't seem too bad. The cowl is in pretty good shape. Let's pull this out. Let's pull this out. The intake manifold's there. The rear taillight bezel's right there. Side windows. Some other stuff.
You're the bullet, I'm the gun. You're the bullet, bullet. You're the bullet, bullet. You're the bullet, bullet. You're the bullet, I'm the gun.
Well, it's cleaned out. So the better question is, and I'm not even going to think about it right now, what do I do with it? Yeah, I mean, the floors, there's a hole there, and I know you can get reproduction floor pans for about $400. The firewall looks good still, but you can see through that rocker over there. On this side, you can see rust in the bottom of it. So, I don't know. It's a tough call. This window, or the door, doesn't look terrible, except... Actually, it doesn't look terrible. This door looks good. That fender looks good. The hood looks pretty good. This quarter panel and right there does not. I know that you can get reproduction pieces for that right there. Same with right here and a couple other things, but we'll see. That rear lower valence, the lower bumper, whatever you want to call it, that's going to go. We'll find out shortly. The hatch is rough. So we'll discuss this sooner than later. But right now, this is what we got. We got finger holes and no carburetors. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. And if you see cheap Datsun for sale, probably run.
Close your eyes and hear the thunder. I'm calling out.